checking out these sidewalls for like the 10 by 10 pop-up canopies. So those normally just have the roof on them and that's it, and then they're open, so it's like a little, basically just a little covering for whatever, but also open to the elements from the sides. So these are just like little walls that you can attach, and this one has a nice little window in there with netting so there's no mosquitoes can get in there. And I believe this one is just a regular wall here. We have another one that's just a solid wall. I believe these attach with Velcro, and another one like that. So these solid walls, you could use it for projection or whatever, and they kind of come together. I don't have a pop-up canopy that I can show you with this, but I do have my tree house underneath. I'm going to try to hook these up to there so we can see. That would be really nice because the under part of my tree house is like an open area, basically like the canopies. So if I can just put these up underneath there, it'll transform that into a nice little sitting area where the bugs won't bother us too. So that's kind of cool. So I'm going to go try to set this up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here is one of the sunshade sidewalls right here, and it says you can attach these with Velcro. It's got the Velcro here on the side too, one whole strip here. So this would just be like a solid wall one. You could put this up, put a projector if it's no wind or whatever. You use this as like a projector screen or whatever. You have an outdoor projector for like just hanging out in the backyard or something like that. Has these little Velcro things on the side here, so these can just be attached right here to the edge of the pole. This is for a 10-foot sunshade, so it's going to be 10 feet on your wall, and these Velcros just go right around here, right around the pole of the thing, and hook on there. So these have these all the way around, and then also on the top, these would be fastened onto the top of the sunshade as well. Multiple. These are like seems to be fairly sturdy, and this would definitely add a lot of protection to your if you have maybe out in the elements or something, you have your sunshade set up, a little bit more privacy or security there as far as like keeping from the wind and things like that. So this one, obviously this would has another Velcro thing here. It could attach to the very bottom, so that's one right there. So if you just wanted a solid wall for your sunshade, there you have it. And then we have the other ones to show you as well. Okay friends, so here's another one. Now this would be the inside of your tent right here. Obviously these nice Velcro straps are going to attach to the top of your sunshade right here. Keep that up nice and tight along the top, so if it's raining or anything like that, it's going to go on the outside. This is also a solid wall on the reverse side. This would be the inside of the tent right here, and you can see you can basically turn your sunshade into a tent. You have all these pockets right here where you can put stuff in there. Nice big pocket there. So these walls literally transform your sunshade into a 10 by 10 tent basically. So you have all the comforts of home here. You can put all kinds of storage in here so it's not on the ground. And then it has, like I said, multiple of these to hold it up into place, including these as well. So lots of different parts there to hold this up and keep it there. And obviously the other side of this can be used as a projection screen as well if you wanted to. So let's show you the other ones here. All right friends, well this one has this would be the inside of your tent, and it has this nice shade here, so you can open this up. There's the two zippers on here, so if you wanted to want some shade, or you want to let in some nice sunlight and still keep the bugs out, so this just unzips. And if you want to roll this up, you'd simply roll this up here and put that into place. That's going to keep that off the ground nicely. Just like that. That's going to allow you to have your tent here and be able to see out, get some airflow through there as well. And once again, of course, you have these Velcro straps up here. That's going to attach that to the top part of your sunshade. And these, of course, the other walls I forgot to mention, they have a Velcro all the way down each side, so you can just attach them to that too. So that's going to make one basically a solid wall where there's not going to be any rain or anything getting through these. This one doesn't have the Velcro all the way down the side, but it still has these. You can cinch it up nice and tight around the pole of the edges of your tent canopy there. So this one will give you some nice airflow for your canopy. Well, friends, so this one here is the final side, and this has Velcro all the way up and down here, as well as the attachments here or on the sides here as well. So this one's pretty cool. This features another shade here with Velcro on the sides. So this can just be rolled up if you want to. And then tied into place. With that, if you want. Just like that. So we can tie this into place. So this will give you a nice obviously open place for the wind to get through if you want to. And then of course this also has a double-sided zipper, which this will allow you to gain access into your tent once you have formed it. So this can just come up here like this. You can roll this up, or you can just, this can roll up right here, and you can tie it up right here with that. Just roll the whole thing up, and that'll open up this whole side of the tent for you if you want. Just roll it up just like I rolled this one up, and then this one from behind, you can just tie that on there. These of course have the Velcro straps all the way across the top. And this would be, if you wanted to just have one side of your tent open, so you could come in through like this, you could do that. And that would just be real easy to open and close it and gain access that way. Or if you wanted like only one side of your whole tent to be open, just kind of put both up and roll it up, and that's going to make one side easy accessible. And then if you wanted to just zip it back down, and you're inside your tent and protected from the bugs and stuff like that. And you can hang it outside and not get bothered by that. So these are pretty cool. Basically just transform your sun shelter into a nice 10 by 10 tent with different walls, different accessories for that. So nice little upgrade for that. So thanks for watching this video. And yeah, it does have, like I said, it does have all the Velcro on the sides of these too. So if you did have a other side of the tent, it would just attach right, or the other side of the sunshade, just attach right here and make like a seamless connection there. So pretty cool idea actually. Really kind of transforms your thing to help out a little bit better, to keep you protected from the bugs and stuff, and yet you can still enjoy the outside weather. So thanks for watching this video, friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.